guys, before we jump into this video, I'm going to be talking about unahubs.com. It is basically a site where they have replica luxury bags. I'm telling you right now, guys, I am not a luxury person. I really, truly cannot fathom spending so much money on one purchase. And the one time that I did it, my kids broke the purchase. And I told myself, you know what? I want the look, but I do not want to spend that coin. So I really love this saddlebag. I actually have a white one, but this is at this point I'm collecting them. I really love this. It's from unahubs.com. You can use my code RONKE for 15% off. And honestly, the material and everything, the packaging, it really was giving the luxury experience. So if you're somebody who kind of has always wanted that luxury experience but really doesn't want to spend the money like me, definitely check out unahubs.com. All the information will be in the description box down below. When you were born, just like yesterday, I wanted a girl so bad, and I really just wanted a baby girl because I thought she would be a reflection of me. And when you were born, I saw how beautiful you were and just how energetic you were. You were definitely very different, and even your brother knew immediately you got older. The thing I love about Avanna is she is very high-spirited, and honestly, she's like me, but not really. She has her own personality. She just brings so much joy to all the people around her by just being herself. She's funny. She's extremely smart. I remember when she first started counting, and I was so excited, and she actually really even taught herself some animals. And she now knows her alphabets, and she's just a very smart child. And she's one of those kids that honestly is a dream to me, even though yes, she definitely gets on my nerves because sometimes she wants me to carry her all the time, even when I'm working. But at the same time, I am so proud of her, and I decided today that I was going to do something a little special for her because I always believe in taking photos on birthdays. Birthdays mean the world to me, and you guys already know that on my channel. So when it comes to my kids' birthdays, it's all about making them happy. And I know a lot of times, with adult birthdays, we don't want to go out, we don't do all these things, but I wanted to do something that made Avanna happy, and she's been really obsessed with unicorns lately and pink and just things that she really likes. So I decided that I wanted to bake her a cake, and this was something that I really felt like she would enjoy. And she absolutely loves bubbles. We have a bubble machine that just kind of like blows bubbles automatically. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take a couple of her favorite things, and I'm really glad she's at the age where I even know her favorite things now, because for the longest time obviously she couldn't really talk, so she couldn't really tell me what she likes, but she is obsessed with unicorns. So I decided to bake her a unicorn cake. I use cake mix. Look, let me tell you, as a mom, you just have to do what you gotta do. And I really actually enjoyed this experience. I haven't baked in years, so this just gave me some type of refresher. And after the cake was done, I was just really excited to kind of like get started. I really enjoyed the baking process, especially because both of them were asleep. And I just honestly try this out. Those are erasers, by the way, guys. I got those erasers in Target. That was the only thing unicorn that I could find that actually looked like it could go on the cake, but I did take them off before she ate them. Just letting you guys know. So but I'm just really thankful that she's 3 right now, and I'm just really thankful that she's as smart as she is, she's as caring as she is, and like I said, I'm just really proud of her. And I felt like her birthday deserved to be something that I did something really special for her, and I'm just really glad that she enjoyed it. I'm really glad that, she actually ended up eating the cake. You guys, she actually almost finished this cake. I had to take it from her because I was like, oh my goodness, I don't want you to have a sugar high, and this is too much sugar, because all those sprinkles on there Oh my god, no. But like I said, I'm just really, really happy to be her mom, and she has just taught me so much. I think one of the things that she's taught me is a lot of patience, and a lot of just perseverance. You know what I mean? She's very relentless when she wants something, and sometimes she doesn't stop until she gets it. And even though she's a kid, and that's the kind of behavior that you kind of have to start monitoring now, sometimes I do encourage her to pursue everything that she wants to pursue, because I believe that if she has that as a quality of hers now, then it's going to be easier for her to pursue her goals in future. So I'm just really proud to raise her as herself and allow her to express herself and be free as she possibly can be. And in a way, even being her mom has healed my inner child, and it's something that I'm thankful for so much. So you guys can watch the rest of the video. We just kind of like hung around, and honestly, I'm really glad that the photos came out really nicely. You can find the photos on my Instagram, and I just wanted to use this video to say happy birthday to Avanna. My next video is probably going to be a YouTube Q&A that I literally just put up on my Insta story, because I realized I haven't done one of those in a while. But I felt like I really wanted to do this vlog style video, because I felt like that's kind of what was going on in my life. So I was like, why not just vlog it? I've been trying to not overthink my content and just do what I feel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great week, and thank you in advance for all the birthday wishes to Avanna. And I love you guys, and thank you for always being the internet aunties and uncles. Bye.